A for apple. Apple means save. B for ball. Ball means गेंद. C for cat. Cat means बिल्ली. D for dog. Dog means कुत्ता. E for elephant. Elephant means हाथी. F for fish. Fish means मछली. G for goat. Goat means बकरी. H for hens. Hen means मुर्गी. I for ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream. J for joker. Joker means joker. K for kite. Kite means पतंग. L for lion. Lion means शेर. M for mango. Mango means आम. N for nest. Nest means घोंसला. O for orange. Orange means संतरा. P for parrot. Parrot means तोता. Q for queen. Queen means रानी. R for rose. Rose means गुलाब. S for ship. Ship means जहाज. T for tiger. Tiger means बाघ. U for umbrella. Umbrella means छाता. B for balloon. Balloon means balloon. W for watch. Watch means घड़ी. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Yak means yak. Z for zebra. Zebra means